Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar. Today as well, I am here to continue the topic preposition. So now, let us take something new. Today, I'll be teaching you the use of in spite of. That means despite. Hindi meaning के बावजूद. All right. The Hindi meaning of in spite of, or we can say despite, that is के बावजूद, right? Now let's have some examples. In spite of, in spite of hard work, he failed. Alright, now sentence number 2. Sentence number 2. In spite of hard work, he failed. Despite rain, I went outside. Alright? कि बारिश होने के बावजूद I went outside. कि बारिश हो रही थी फिर भी मैं बाहर गया. In spite of hard work, he failed. कड़ी मेहनत के बावजूद, कड़ी मेहनत करने के बावजूद वो फेल हो गया. So my dear students, whenever you people require the use of in spite of, so you will have to use. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Why? द्वारा से तक बराबर. This time I have preposition by. Now you can see at the board, it has got meaning द्वारा से तक बराबर में. Now with the help of examples I will be making you understand. Example से मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. This letter is written by me द्वारा. Now sentence number 2. He came to me by train. Say. Now sentence number 3. I returned R-E-T-U-R-N-E. I had returned. R-E-T-U-R-N-E. I had returned my home. I had returned my home by last Sunday. Third. So my dear students, here I have taken out 3 examples. This letter is written by me. यहाँ पर जो by का मीनिंग है, by के जो सेंस है, वो द्वारा कि ये जो लेटर है लिखा जाता है मेरे द्वारा, लिखा गया है मेरे द्वारा. He came to me by train. वो मेरे पास ट्रेन से आया है. Now here it gives the Hindi meaning से. यहाँ पर जो by का मीनिंग है वो से है. I had returned my home. मैं अपने घर वापस आ चुका था by last Sunday. पिछले संडे तक. Right? I hope you must have understood. Now let us move ahead. He is sitting. He is sitting by me. I was standing by my friend. बराबर. This time, my dear students, I have taken out 2 examples giving sense of बराबर में. By that means beside, right? Beside also can be used here. यहाँ पर हम beside भी use कर सकते हैं in place of by. They both here have got the same meaning. He is sitting by me. I was standing by my friend. तो यहाँ पर जो by की sense है वो बराबर में है. I hope you understand. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. This time till. Definite time. Hindi meaning tak. Definite time. D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E. Definite time. Time limit. देखिए जो टिल है बेसिकली दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर डेफिनेट टाइम. 6 बजे तक, 7 बजे तक, 2 बजे तक, राइट? जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डेफिनेट टाइम की बात करते हैं कि इतने बजे तक हम वहाँ पर टिल का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट इज़ यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड future perfect as well. Right? Now I just have some examples for making you understand. Please just have a look. I I reach my office daily. I reach my office daily till 9 a.m. I had returned R-E-T-U-R-N-E. I had returned my home yesterday till 5 p.m. So this time as well, my dear students, please just have a look. This time till definite time, और यहाँ पर till का हिंदी मीनिंग तक है, that means time limit. I reach my office daily. मैं अपने ऑफिस डेली पहुँचता हूँ इतने बजे तक, till 9 a.m. I had returned my home. मैं अपने घर वापस आ चुका था कल till 5 p.m. for definite time. Do you understand? देखिए बाय और टिल में यही डिफरेंस होता है दोनों का हिंदी मीनिंग जहाँ तक होता है. बाय बेसिकली आता है इनडेफिनिट टाइम के लिए, बाय संडे, बाय मंडे, राइट, बाय मॉर्निंग, बाय इवनिंग, बाय नून. वेयर इज टिल इज यूज्ड फॉर डेफिनेट टाइम, till 5 o'clock, till 6 o'clock, till 9 a.m. something like this. So my dear students, today I have told you the use of till, by and despite. I hope it must have been clear to you. So thank you very much.